This is my 2010 GMC Sierra crew cab, a carbon black metallic. Just had it washed and waxed. Right now I'm rolling on 17s, kind of small. Put some bigger ones on there next year maybe. On some running boards myself, help of a neighbor. Put on this Gibson exhaust. Start it up for you here. Sounds pretty good. Transformer badge on the back. Tell you why in a minute. Here's why my GMC Sierra is different than everyone else's. This really is a transformer. That's right where my wheelchair sits when I drive this bad boy.